Today, humanity massacre taking place in East Turkestan. Today, Islam is being raped in East Turkestan. Today, unprecedented aggression is taking place in the history of mankind in East Turkestan. Today, our sisters in East Turkestan looking for us with tears in their eyes. Is there no one can save us from this oppression? Where is the humanity today? In East Turkestan, Muslim women who have infiltrated modesty and devotion with their body and blood are silently calling for the help of God. The descendants of Nuzgum who were willingly to sacrifice their life to protect their chastity are now weaker than ever to revive that history. History will not forget these tragedies, and people will live this tragedy. Every part of the oppression and the field of this oppression will be written truthfully on the pages of history, and the oppressors will be punished accordingly. And history will write us as heroes or scoundrels. If our ancestors created a glorious history with their blood, today we are ready to wash away the aggression and the shame with our blood. Every breath you take, every step you take will be judged. Oh East Turkestan, what did you do for your country? What did you do for your nation? What did you do for your ancestral land? What did you do for your great religion? We swear that just as there is a price for every oppression, there is a punishment for every massacre and genocide. There will certainly be revenge for this aggression. This fire of revenge is burning in our hearts. Only revenge can extinguish this fire. Today we are crushed by the fire of revenge, and we must take this revenge before our hearts are buried in the cold ashes.